It is so important to really take the time to write thoughtful and thorough and insightful descriptions on both AMCAS and AACOMAS. So for both the allopathic system and the osteopathic system, because the medical school admissions officer is going to read through that description. And so by the time that they actually get through that entire description, they're going to fully understand the comprehensive nature of this experience. They are going to know it was work experience. They are going to know that it was clinical. They are going to know all of the competencies that you demonstrated through this experience. You were working with the public, you were working with people from different backgrounds, and that demonstrates a lot of the different qualities. You were also working with the other members of the pharmacy team, so pharmacists, and maybe talking to physicians. So there are a lot of different qualities that a student is going to demonstrate through an experience like this. And the medical school admissions officer is going to learn all of that because you are going to write this very full, very insightful, and very thoughtful description.